Hi, this is Mark from Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment, and today we're going to talk about our cartridges. So today we're going to talk about the history of Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment cartridges, which means actually all cartridges, because without the Cheyenne original cartridges, there would be no cartridge existing in the world like you're used to today. You know how easy it is today to start working. You just take out the cartridge, insert it to the machine, and you start your workday. But that would not be possible without the invention of the Cheyenne cartridges in combination with the modern rotary machines. Already in 2004, Cheyenne held the patent on this, and in 2006, modern way of tattooing had its birth. So let's start about our cartridges. We have different lines, we have different configurations. Today actually it's up to 253 different ones, and you will surely know the safety cartridges at first. So to easy divide them and not mix them up in your daily work, you can see the color caps in the back. So the black ones are the liners, the yellow ones are the shaders. The white ones are the soft edge magnums, the green ones are the straight magnums, red are the flats, and the blue ones are the power liners. No matter which configuration, every needle has the same quality. We're just using the best medical steel, it's SS304, for the best result of your tattoos. And everyone has the patented safety membrane to ensure that no back fluid of liquids into the machine is possible. So if you're using cartridges without a safety membrane and you would tilt the machine downwards, liquid could enter the machine, harm the motor, and you don't want that. So let's talk about the inside of the cartridge. We're talking about each individual needle. And we have different diameters, starting from 0.25 millimeter to 0.4 in the end as largest. That's the European metric system. You might know them as 8, 10, 12, and 14. Each needle has an individual taper. The taper is actually the grinding length on the tip of the needle. But keep in mind, the larger the diameter of the needle with the same length has an impact on the angle of the tip of the needle that actually punches the skin. The tapers that we are using is from super short taper, which is just the one-liner 0.24 millimeter needle, over medium tapers, long tapers, and super long tapers. You know we are constantly progressing and working on our equipment, but we're not always doing that on our own. Actually, for the open liners, we took advantage of 4 of the world's best tattoo artists to develop the open liners. From a variety of over 250 configurations in the beginning, with different tapers, different diameters, everything that could be possible, we gave them to 4 of our sponsored artists to pick the 5 best solutions for you. And that's the open liners, starting from 5 to 21. The important part about the open liners is that they are not soldered like liners, but they are soldered like shaders, but with a really short soldering length that makes them stiff like liners. So if you want to have a real solid liner for bold line work, that's your choice. We sometimes get the question, what is the difference between a power liner and an open liner? Thing is, the power liner, there's only 2 configurations, a 7-liner and a 9-liner as a power liner. They have 0.4 millimeter needles and they are soldered like liners. Open liners do have different diameters for the single needles and they are soldered like shaders. And you get them from 5 to 21. Every artist knows how much time you waste dipping ink. With the capillary cartridges, with this tip, with this spiral, you can suck up way more ink. You can tattoo way longer, up to 10 times actually. You can save time for you and your customer. Besides all the innovation and the progress with the safety cartridges, we still have our craft cartridges. That's 19 of the most popular configurations of the safety cartridges, in a clear, simple housing that is just one piece besides the safety cartridges. But that's the difference. Same quality steel, same quality Cheyenne cartridges. So now we have something really special for you. You asked for it, and here they are, the Big Macs. We've been working on them for quite a while, as with all our configurations and needles, because we want to have a perfect result in the end. But now you can work from 33 to 67 magnums, soft edge and straight, no matter what you like. So the Big Macs will be coming from 0.25 millimeter needles up to 0.4 millimeter needles, depending on what you need. The smaller ones for sure, softer if you want to shade larger areas, the larger one for heavy black work. So we talked about all our different needles today, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just do not hesitate. Write to support@CheyenneTattoo.com and we will be able to help for sure. I'm Mark, and this is Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment.